In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from HubSpot. Exporting your contacts from HubSpot is a simple way to back up your data, analyze it in a spreadsheet, or share it with your team for reporting and onboarding. In just a moment, I'll walk you through the exact clicks to get it done smoothly, and I'll add a few helpful pointers so nothing slows you down along the way. First, log into HubSpot. Use a secure browser and your usual credentials, and make sure you're in the correct HubSpot account if you manage more than one. If your company uses enhanced security, you might see a quick verification prompt. Just complete that so you land on your HubSpot dashboard. It's always a good idea to confirm you have the right permissions to export data. If you don't, an account admin can help enable access for you. Once you're in, go to the CRM. You'll find this in the main navigation at the top of the screen. The CRM is where your core customer records live, so everything related to your contact database is centralized and easy to reach. If your layout looks a little different due to updates or customization, look for the section labeled CRM or the navigation that groups your customer records. Next, select Contacts. This brings you to the full list of people saved in your HubSpot account. You should see a table with names, emails, companies, and any other properties your team tracks. The page may take a second to load if your database is large, which is perfectly normal. Take a moment to verify you're viewing the set of contacts you want to export and that you're in the correct workspace or view. Now click on Export on the upper right. This button is typically located near the top right corner of the contact screen. Clicking Export starts the process of packaging your data. HubSpot will handle the heavy lifting from here and prepare your file. Depending on your settings and the size of your database, the platform will make your export available for download and may also notify you when it's ready. If your browser prompts you to save the file, choose a safe, well-labeled location so you can find it quickly later. That's all there is to it. You've logged in, navigated to the CRM, opened contacts, and clicked Export in the upper right. Keep your exported file secure, follow your organization's data policies, and you'll be set for analysis, backups, or sharing within your team. Thanks for watching.